Hey champions, got a cosine rule question on the board today. We've got the viewing angle to a vertical screen is 18 degrees and the distances between the viewing point and the top and bottom of the screen are 25 meters and 23 meters respectively. We want to find the height of the screen, correct to the nearest centimeter. Okay, so if we just break down what we're actually looking for here, we've got a non-right angled triangle. We've got two sides that are given. The included angle of those sides is given as well. And we're asked to find the side length that's opposite the angle. This is perfect for the cosine rule. It's what the cosine rule was born to do. We've got two sides, the included angle as well, and we're looking for the side length opposite the angle. Perfect. Okay, first bit of working out is going to be to write down the formula I'm planning to use. In this case, the cosine rule. And this on your formula sheet is normally given in two different formats. We've got the format where we're solving for the side length and the format when we're solving for an angle. Obviously, just choose the side length one to make it a little easier for yourself. Okay, I'm going to call this side length A. I'm going to call this side length B. It can be either way around, it doesn't matter. And C is the variable is already given for that one. It's X. So I want to find what the value of X is. Now, rather than do two lines of working out, what I'm going to do is say, well, if X squared is equal to A squared plus B squared, etc. What I can do is if I find the square root of everything that's on the right-hand side, I can find that value of X in just the one step. So now I'll substitute in for A. A is now 25, so 25 squared, plus B, 23 squared. And I'm going to subtract from that 2 multiplied by A, so 2 multiplied by 25, multiply that by B, so by 23, and multiply that by cosine of the included angle, which is 18. So on your calculator, that'll look a little something like this. I'm going to find the square root of where are the brackets? There we go. So I need to use brackets and finding the square root of the whole thing. So 25 squared plus 23 squared, subtract 2, multiply by 25, multiply by 23, multiply by cos 18. Close the bracket on that one. And that's given me 7.76434 and so on. We want to give this answer to the nearest centimetre, and because our units are meters for this, I need 2 decimal places because you've got 100 centimeters in a meter. So I'm going to go 7.76 meters for this one. Worded questions usually get worded answers, so I'm going to say, therefore, the screen is 7.76 meters tall. That's a fair enough way to say that that's the height of it, I think. And we're going to chuck a nice highlight through there to make it clear to the marker that that's your answer.